Hello everyone. In the previous videos, I told you how you can create table in Word and how you can apply modifications on them. So if you have not seen my previous videos, link is given in the description box. In this video, I will tell you how you can create class timetable. So for creating class timetable, you should know how many columns and how many rows you require. आपको क्लास टाइम टेबल क्रिएट करना है, क्लास का टाइम टेबल क्रिएट करना है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कितने रोज की रिक्वायरमेंट है और कितने कॉलम्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है. एंड वी नो वी कैन इंसर्ट रोज एंड कॉलम्स लेटर ऑन ऑल्सो. हम बाद में भी रोज और कॉलम को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो इनिशियली आई एम टेकिंग 10 columns and 7 rows. 10 columns and 7 rows like this. ठीक है. सो यहाँ आप क्लिक करते हो, आपका पूरा सिलेक्ट हो जाता है. आई एम टेकिंग इट टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड यहाँ से आप इसका लोअर कॉर्नर से इसका साइज इंक्रीज कर सकते हो अपनी टेबल का. ठीक है. सो हियर आई एम टेकिंग day. I am selecting the whole table and I am removing this underline. Clear? So text size also I am taking to 12. Clear? Then here first lesson, second, third, fourth, then break or recess, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, and then eighth, like this. Clear? Then days, Monday, then Tuesday, I am using cursor control keys, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. So first lesson I am taking as English. So English for all 6 days. Then simply select it, copy it and then paste. Clear? I am using pop-up menu. Right click and this pop-up menu window will open. You can also use shortcut keys. Second lesson maths. Now I will use shortcut keys. Select it, Control plus C from your keyboard, then Control plus V. Control plus V is the shortcut key for paste. Third lesson I am taking as Hindi. Select it. Then in home tab I am using the third method, in clipboard group copy. Clear? So this way also you can copy paste. Shortcut keys method is there, pop-up menu method is there, and this clipboard group method is there. So you can use any. Fourth lesson I am taking as science. For science I am taking only SCI. So select it, copy. I am using shortcut key, Control plus V for paste. Clear? Now fifth lesson I am taking as computer. Computer for first 3 days only. Select it, copy it and paste. Then for rest 3 days GK. Select it, Control plus C shortcut key for copy, then Control plus V for paste. Then sixth lesson games. Games for first 2 days I am taking, copy paste, and for next 2 days I am taking music. आप कोई भी डेटा एंटर कर सकते हो जो भी आपके टाइम टेबल में गिवन हो. ठीक है. सो सिलेक्ट इट, Control plus C shortcut key for copy and Control plus V for paste. Then last 2 days I am taking yoga. Nowadays yoga is very popular in schools also. Then Seventh lesson I am taking as SST. Copy it, paste. Eighth lesson I am taking as EVS. EVS for first 3 days. Copy, paste, like this. And for last 3 days, art and craft, like this. Select it, copy it and paste. Now you can also do cell alignment. Select the whole table. Then in layout group, in layout tab, this alignment group is there. Then here 9 ways are there to align your data, to align your text. Clear? So now your table is top center aligned and I wanted to align bottom left. आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो 9 ways में से, ठीक है? So I have chosen bottom left. ठीक है? Now you can also resize your columns. This I told you in the previous videos, how you can resize your columns, how you can resize your rows. So this way you can resize your columns like this. So I am resizing column like this. This way you can resize. Clear? So this break should be in the full column. So I am merging all the cells of this table. What I am doing, I am merging all the cells. I told you in the previous videos how to merge cells. So in layout tab, in merge group option is there, merge cells, so you can merge them. And you can also change the direction of text. In layout tab option is there, text direction. So this way you can change the direction. Okay? So you can also change its font size. From here you can change the font size. Clear? Like this. So if you want to resize it, you can also resize the column, and if you don't want, leave it as it is. Clear? So I can also apply some pre-formatted styles. This I told you in the previous video. So click on design tab, select the whole table, and you can apply any pre-formatted style, whatever you want. You can also change the color of this, so you can easily apply any pre-formatted style. Like this. So this way your timetable is ready and you can apply modifications on it. You can apply any pre-formatted style on it. I hope you will like this video, and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe it. Thank you.